gosh! What do you do for filmmaking and testing out things?
So I headed out to this really cool spot for my very first flight with the DJI Avata 360. For this first run, I kept it simple and used the RC2 controller just to get the feel for it. We're flying for the first time the DJI Avata 360. I've never flown this drone, I've never flown the 360 drone, so let's check it out. I'm really curious to see how this works. I'm really excited. Take off. Let's go higher up. It's pretty loud, I have to say. And let's land again. For the first time, you should always try that. Wow, that was really cool, huh? And yeah, flying a 360 drone definitely feels a bit different. Even with a controller I know, it's just a different experience. One thing I really like is that little point in the middle of the screen. It shows you where you're flying to. Super simple, but it actually helps a lot. Now I'm curious if DJI added that to other drones too, because it really makes things more intuitive. With a 360 drone, you're capturing everything anyway, but having that visual guide just makes it easier. And honestly, it's pretty cool. If you're into filmmaking gear and creating content out in the outdoors, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Okay, let's do return to home. Let's see how this works. Okie dokie, where are you here? Are you coming down here? Hey, too far? Oh wow, okay, that's pretty cool. It goes all the way around. So hold on a second. So let's just do that there, huh? Okay. That's cool! That was my first flight! That was amazing! And a quick question. Where would your first 360 drone flight be? Leave a comment below. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you next one. Bye for now.